Hello everyone, welcome to Hasasha Motivated channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, watch my channel always. In this video, I will teach you a brief introduction to ChatGPT. Let's dig deeper into this ChatGPT tutorial. So, in your Google, you will type ChatGPT, then you click on search or enter. When you enter, you will see this page. Yeah, this is the link that will take us to the official website, openai.com. So when you click there, you will be able to see. It will take you to the website, openai.com. Yeah, so that's how the site looks like. But in this chapter, we want to get a brief description of ChatGPT. Yeah, so that's the software. It is a software. It is a chatbot. Yeah, this highlights some little information about it. Yeah, and a new release, a stable release, was released on Feb 13th, 2023, like 7 days ago. Yeah, so to read more, we will go to Wikipedia. We want to know more about this ChatGPT. So let's go. We see that ChatGPT is a ChatGPT is a chat generative pre-trained transformer. It is a chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT family of large language models and has been fine-tuned an approach to transfer learning using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 23, 2022, and quickly garnered attention for its detailed responses and accurate answers across many domains of knowledge. Its uneven factual accuracy, however, was identified as a significant drawback. Following the release of ChatGPT, OpenAI's valuation was estimated at USD 29 billion in 2023. Yeah, so that's the brief description about this. For more details, yeah, there's so many things listed here: limitations, service, new Bing, reception. So if you want to know more about ChatGPT, so here we see the OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman. Yeah, together with the Google CEO, Sundar Pichai. Yeah, who appended the work of numerous internal groups in response to the threat of description by ChatGPT. So that is the brief description of these guys and this chatbot. We'll visit and read more. So we see here the stable release was released 7 days ago, Feb 13th, 2023. Yeah, and this is a chatbot like I've told you in this video. Yeah, so that was the video. That was the brief description about the ChatGPT. So now we are going to visit the official website and read more about ChatGPT. Yeah, here is the official website, openai.com. ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogue. Yeah, here they say we've trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a controversial way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT is a sibling model to InstructGPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Yeah, so that is ChatGPT for you. That is ChatGPT for you. So let's go and try out ChatGPT. Yeah, when we try out ChatGPT, it will load and take us to the OpenAI login screen. Yeah, so in this tutorial we're supposed to know a brief description about it. So in the next tutorial I'll take you through login and sign up. Yeah, thank you for visiting, thank you for watching, thank you. Please come back for the next tutorial. God bless you.